Hey
We're live.
guys, we'll be in
Big J.
today for the first time in like forever. We're actually recording a video, and we got Topps Allen and Gunther 3-pack. I got 3 packs. Big J's got 2, and I got a pack of Series 2 baseball, and Big J has a pack of Series 1. We each got a National Baseball Card Day pack. Happy National Baseball Card Day to everybody.
Happy National Baseball Card Day.
So I guess we'll go first since you have 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make more sense. Alright, so we have a theory. So, as you guys can see, this has a dot right there. See that? But this pack does not have a dot, as you can see. And this pack feels like a little bit thicker. So, we have a theory that, that might have a hit in it. So, we'll see. Yeah, we got, I'm not going to pronounce the first names because they're not on there. We got Brigman. We got Jackie Robinson.
Cool.
We got a mini of Carlton Fisk.
Oh, nice.
We got an Aaron Judge. This package. Is that Bieber got? Yeah, Shane Bieber. He's pretty famous right now. We got Baseball Star Signs Snell. James. Oh, that's a rookie. I don't know who that guy is. And is this Sterling? Yes, or Starling Castro. So, all right.
Cool.
I'll record you opening your first pack.
So my packs are undotted. My Sneeches don't have stars on theirs.
So we think we might have gotten all 3 hits out of the box, even though we weren't purposefully trying to do that. Weird.
Ah, I tore it.
Oh, whatever, yeah.
Bummer.
Oh, you wanted to keep the pack on this?
Yeah, I did. I wanted a sweet deluxe pack. Okay. So it's a Reggie Jackson. That's a good start.
He likes Reggie Jackson. Big J does.
And somebody Blackman.
Even though he's white.
Don't know him.
Even a white person.
And he's got a beard. Like, come on. I guess Whiteman would have been, pushing the envelope too much.
Yeah.
Carter.
Jimmy Carter?
Gary Carter.
Oh, that's Carlos.
Uh-oh. Oh, my mini.
Oh, you got a parallel mini too.
Sweet. Look there.
See,
Willie Stargell.
Who the heck is Willie Stargell?
He was ultimately good.
Was he actually?
Mm-hmm. So, Carlos Santana.
Wow, we have our first non-baseball.
Not the Black Magic Woman Carlos Santana. But
we have our first non-baseball card.
Mares and Stallions. Ooh. It's a thoroughbred.
Thoroughbred.
Yeah, cool.
I like the thoroughbred.
Nice. And not Joan Baez.
Is it Joan?
Javier.
Ah.
Javier.
Oh.
Not to be confused with caviar.
What?
Fish eggs.
Kopech.
Michael Kopech. Or Kopech.
I don't know.
Or Kopech, period. He's got a period after the end of his
All
name.
of them do.
Oh. I was thinking maybe it could be like short for Kopech's Lusky. Or something like that.
See, he has a weird last name, like, what's that best? Oh, Luka Doncic. It's spelled Doncic. Alright, let's get right into a second pack here. Don't worry about that, Mike. Oh, we got the Cincinnati Red Stockings. And there's an 1869 team photo.
Nice.
That is actually cool. I don't know if that's like. We got hat. We got Gain. Oh, we got a mini of. We got Post Malone. I'm not gonna comment on him. Davis. Baseball Star Signs, Ken Griffey Jr.
Nice.
That is a great card. Helton. And didn't we already pull this guy, Perez? I don't know.
No.
Gorman Perez.
Okay.
Alright.
So now, was that a dotted pack?
What do you mean a dotted? Oh, yeah.
Is that a black dot
Yeah,
pack?
this is the only non-dotted pack I have.
Okay.
Alright. Didn't you have a dotted pack?
Nope.
No? What? Well, Big J's opening the second. So I think the dots might not have to do with anything. I think, my math.
Dang it. Alright, this next pack I'm going to have to... Oh, this is my last pack.
Don't worry, Big J.
Oh, well.
I'll open mine.
I just think they're ultimately cool.
We'll probably get more. I'll probably get more.
Get more.
I will get more. Imagine we get like a rip card. I saw something in the middle, I think. Either that or that was just a mini.
It's a mini.
Don't respond. You want to... Petite.
Andy Petite.
You don't have to say that first name. You can just say
Okay. Rafael Devers.
That's Chris Sale.
Chris Sale.
Ooh, we got an old player.
Oh, Hornsby.
Who's who?
Rogers Hornsby.
Roger. Not Roger.
Not Roger. Rogers.
Like Roy Rogers, the restaurant.
Roger Dodger.
A mini.
Perez. Tony Perez. Don't know him. Uh-oh. We got an incredible equipment. Robin Hood's bow.
That is kind of cool.
That's kind of cool.
I like, see, this is what I like about Allen and Ginter. Dexter.
Bob Feller.
That looks like an older player.
It does look like an older player.
Like, based off the jerseys.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. They had new jerseys this year because the Indian was racist. Cool.
Gleyber Torres. Never heard of him.
Neither have I.
Okay, so
Alright.
that pack was almost a little bit of a bust.
But at least. Oh no! I wanted to keep it nice. I'm sorry though.
That's alright.
These packs are kind of like delicate.
Yeah, they are.
I think we got Carew.
Rod Carew?
Carew. Carew.
What's his first name?
Rod, yeah.
Rod Carew.
Logroy. Tuscan Saint. Ramirez. Oh, we got a mini. Here, we got a mini of Blake Snell. Mini. We got a greatest to ever hold the bat and ball. Ginter Greats. George Brett? Yeah, George Brett. I don't know how I knew who that was.
Cool.
Francisco Lindor. And Jose Aubry, not to be confused with Jose Uribe. What's it called? Well, that pack was kind of a bust because we didn't have a rookie in it. Alright, yeah, now it's time for you to open your top series one pack. Who are you hoping to get out of this? Like a Babe Ruth bat relic or something?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I don't even know if you can pull that in that.
I don't think you can.
A Gary V autograph.
That'd be alright.
Gary Vickerman, a Viking, I don't know how to pronounce. His last name is very complex. It's like 20 letters. There's like a couple like Z's and X's in there. I don't know.
Ah,
He's a foreigner.
definitely.
Oh, by the way, the names, like the bottom name, like, I'll show you. The card setup is really weird. So that's like, oh, you got Ohtani. So that's his first name and that's his last name.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's weird. We got Shohei
So,
Ohtani.
Shohei Ohtani.
He
Yes.
is like, you know who he is?
Oh, yeah. He's Norway's #1 baseball player. I'd know him anywhere. Oh, and it's a Topps Gold. Oh, that's sweet. That's going to be awesome. The card's probably worth like $10,000.
It's probably actually worth a couple dollars, actually.
So
He's
Chris
really
Bryant.
He's good, I think. Is this the guy that like is bouncing around the league? I don't know.
No.
Use Roy.
Billy Hamilton. Cole Stewart.
Not to be convinced with the Cole Stores.
Okay, so we got D. Gordon. Another Topps Gold. Pretty cool. Are these all golds? Am I just losing my mind or what? So John Lester.
What do you mean they're all gold?
Oh, I'm used to seeing the Topps Golds with
it does kind of look gold and whiting though on camera. Oh, what is that? We got 150 greatest moments. Larry Doby.
Larry Doby.
By the way, if you pull a 1984 Vladimir Guerrero Jr., it's like based off the 1984 style. It's worth quite a bit of money.
David Price.
David Price, what's the price?
The price is right.
Ooh.
J.D. Martinez. Oh, there's the Gleyber Torres again. That's who I got in my Allen Ginter.
Really?
Blake Trinan. Or maybe you got him. I don't know.
One of us got.
Eric Hosmer. Ryan Healy. And that's the deal. So, okay. I'm thinking that's pretty good.
Oh, no.
Check out our eBay. Probably going to find a Shushi Otani.
It's Shohei Ohtani.
Shohei Otani.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yes, from Norway. Excellent.
We still have more
He
packs
learned how to play baseball because he used to chop trees down, and he used them as he used the limbs as baseball bats.
All right, you still have one more pack to open. I have two more.
Oh.
We still got a National League. All right, we got Top Series 2. You know, chance for Gary V autograph card. All right, we got Miles Straw. All the liberals might get triggered if his first name is Plastic.
Plastic straws.
Oh, trigger. Justin Smoak. Kyle Wright. Trevor Richards. Wow, we actually got a rookie card.
Hey, cool.
Woohoo! We got Cleveland Indians. No comment on that. Brycey Wilson.
I think that's kind of racist, the whole Cleveland Indians thing. They should be
we
called...
got a 1984 35th anniversary stamped Jose Altuve All-Star.
Awesome.
Is that number? Personal data. What? Dude, I think this has got to be rare.
That is awesome looking.
That if you get a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. of that, I think it's worth money. We got another rookie of Nick Martini.
Martinez? Martini. I'll have a double.
Max Muncy. Whoa, we got our future stars. Austin Meadows. Ooh, woo. Oh, I haven't been really holding them in frame, huh? Josh Reddick. David Fressy.
I think it might be Freeze.
JC Ramirez. Oh. One card. Katili Marte. No comment.
All right. Onward and upward.
Oh, no. You still... Oh, wait. Yes.
Josh Bell.
Oh, also, yesterday both of these packs are mine. Because we got 2 packs early yesterday, but Big J didn't want to open his because it has a rookie on the front, and he thinks it might be worth something. Ain't that right, yo?
Yep. So I'm waiting until Little B's second kid arrives.
Second kid?
Oh, first kid, second kid, fourth kid, whatever. It'll be an anniversary. Josh Bell.
Joshua Bell.
Christian Yelich.
It's Yelich.
Christian Yelich.
Yelich.
Yelich?
Ooh.
Christian
Oh
Yelich.
Oh my gosh, I think you got Vladdy. Oh, I saw the...
Marcus Stroman.
I saw the Blue Jays.
Of the great Stroman Bread Company.
Also, there's a potential autograph near. Oh, no comment on that.
Manny Machado.
He's a traitor.
We miss you, Manny. No, he's not a traitor.
The Orioles traded him.
It was a good move for Manny. Because, come on, the Orioles
Suck.
Come on. Manny, we miss you. We wish you were here, but we're glad for you that you're with a real team that's going to do something.
The Padres are not good.
Yeah, they'll be good now. Justin Verlander. From Japan. Justin Verlander.
Just like Ohtani is definitely...
He's good.
Oh,
He's good? Justin Verlander?
Yeah, he's good.
So here we have a exclusive
Bryce Harper.
silver pack promotion.
October 2019.
We'll be putting this on eBay. And it's like going to be very expensive, so I'm telling you right away.
No, you don't even get a free silver pack with that. That's not what that says.
Yeah, it's receive free Chrome cards with the purchase of a 2019 Topps Baseball Update Series.
See, this is not a Topps Update Series.
Oh.
This is
Okay. Well, we're still putting it on eBay.
for how much?
I don't know. Probably starting bid about 1,000. Okay.
Alright. We're looking to get something good out of this, Bryce Harper. You can't get autos in this, I don't even know who I want. Bryce Harper auto, obviously. Probably. Javier Baez, Miguel Cabrera, Jose Barrios, Mookie Betts. Mookie. Gleyber Torres.
But like we've gotten him 3 times.
And then we got another one of these. Starting bid $1,000.
Starting bid $1,000.
Well, that was kind of a bust. We didn't get much. We got. What was your best card, Yo? Ohtani, probably.
Probably the Norseman,
So,
Ohtani.
tell us who won this pack battle. Big J with his Shohei Ohtani Gold Award winner thingy. Or me with my 35th anniversary All-Star Jose Altuve. With that, see that gold stamp? Also, you want me to give him a little quick preview?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright guys, so we got some other stuffs.